The integration with ezeep allows feasible printer access, tracking and billing. Before you get started, there are a couple of prerequisites. First, you must have an active ezeep for co-working subscription plan. If you do not have one, go to www.ezeep.com and click on Get Started. Also, you must have an active Nexudus subscription. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up Nexudus. Go ahead and log in to your Nexudus dashboard. You will need to create 2 printing products. In this example, I will create a color product. Select Inventory, then Products, add product manually. Furthermore, you need to create a resource type. Go back to Inventory and find Resource Type. Create a printing resource. Now, create a credit type. Go back to Inventory and select Printing Credit. And assign it to the resource type. Save the settings. Next, in Step 2, enable the ezeep integration. In the Nexudus dashboard, select Settings. Select Integrations. There are 2 integration options for ezeep. Make sure you select ezeep Enable ezeep Select the products you created in Step 1. Click Connect. You will be prompted enter the ezeep admin credentials. Once you are back in the Nexudus dashboard, add a member and enable the ezeep print capability. Step 3. Assign printers. Log into the ezeep admin portal. The group Nexudus will be created automatically in the ezeep admin portal. You can create more groups and manage member access. Edit the group, select the Printers tab and assign the printers to this group. The integration is ready. The member will receive an ezeep invite via email. They will just need to accept the invite and create an ezeep login. Thank you for watching and happy printing!